Hi everyone, assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to another video. Hope you all are doing well. Today we are going to be making burger buns. As you guys can see, it's nice and soft. If you want to see how I make, keep watching. And if you are new here, please take a moment to subscribe to this channel and on your notification bell to get notified whenever I upload a new video. And for my old subscriber, thank you so much for returning. I really appreciate. So let's not waste time and get into the video. Okay guys, so here is our ingredient which we're gonna be using. We got 1 egg, 3 tablespoons of oil, salt half teaspoon, 2 tablespoons sugar, 1 teaspoon of yeast, warm milk half cup, warm water half cup, and 2.5 cup of flour. So in this mixing bowl we're going to add water, milk, oil and yeast. Okay, now I'm going to be giving a good stir and I'm going to add the rest of ingredients. Okay, now I'm going to be adding 1 egg, sugar and salt. Now I'm going to continue mixing until it's well incorporated. Okay, the mixture is done. Now I'm going to be adding flour and mix everything well until it comes together. Okay, now I'm going to be sprinkling some flour in the working surface where I'm going to transfer my dough to be able to knit well. If you find your dough is sticky, you can add some more flour and continue knitting. It will be okay. So also I'm gonna add some oil. Is going to help with this thickness, and I'm going to continue knitting about 5 minutes until the dough is nice and smooth. Okay guys, as you can see, the dough is smooth, it's not sticky anymore. This is how it should be. So now I'm going to add some oil in the bowl and place the dough. We're going to cover and let it rise for about 2 hours. So guys, you don't have to use foil paper in this. You can use plastic wrap. I just use what I was having. So yeah, now I'm going to just cover and set aside for good 2 hours. Okay guys, it's have been 2 hours already. Now I'm going to remove the dough from the bowl. So guys, I'm going to fold the dough and press it down to make sure I remove the excess air that is in the dough. Okay guys, now that I'm done, I'm going to be dividing the dough. You can divide in 5, 6, it's up to you, but I'm going to be dividing in 5 medium ball. Okay guys, done with making balls. Now I'm going to be brushing some oil on the pan which I'm gonna be using. Okay, now I'm going to bring the balls, and when you line up in the pan, you have to leave the gap between them. Press the balls like so to give a good shape your buns. Okay guys, once I'm done this, I'm going to cover again and let it rest for about 20 minutes. Okay guys, it's after 20 minutes now, and what I'm gonna do, I'm going to take about 2-3 tablespoons of milk and add sugar. This I'm going to brush on top of my buns to give a nice shine after baking. To make my buns look more beautiful, I'm going to be adding this white seed, which is total optional. Okay, now I'm going to bake in 108-degree oven for about 15 minutes, or until you see it's nice and golden like this. Look how nice and soft, you guys. Oh my goodness, the smell is so good at this point. So I was just cutting to show you guys inside. It's nice and soft as well. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you did like, don't forget to give it a nice thumbs up. I'll see you guys in the next video. Ciao ciao.